la namhlanje lube inqopha mlando ingoba sibonile opresident ababili baka-ANC beza ngokuhlakanyela lokho kusikhombisa induduzo nesifayela nogqozi lokuthi kukhona ukubambisana phakathi kobuholi buka-ANC.
Unity in the ANC is a founding principle. It's not a luxury. It's not something that we picked up on the way, and it's not something that we remember and forget.
Lokho kusinikeza into eyodwa ukuthi umkhombandlela ka-ANC kuningi okusazokwenzeka ngokubambisana nokuthi imiphakathi yakithi ikwazi ukuthi izuze.
Silapha sibe yingxenye yokuhalanisa le-ANC mayiqeda iminyaka u-107, a movement that withstood colonialism, defeated the sophistication of apartheid, a movement that survived exile and incarceration.
For ANC, now it's a time. For ANC.
This occasion today, comrades, presents us with an opportunity to account to President John Langalibalele Dube and all other great leaders of his generation.
We are very jubilant. This is the birth of the African National Congress, the oldest liberation movement in Africa, turning 107 years.
Ngahlala kunje njalo emakadeni kufika abantu abakhulu opresident ababili ngijabula kakhulu ngiyabonga.